Welcome to Yoomi's Place, where I take ordinary photos and create digital art out of them. Today I'm creating one of my favorite Street Fighter characters, Zangief, using this stock photo right here. So let me show you what I have in mind real quick. Alright guys, so I have the drawing board set up here. I've got a few reference photos to look at here because I haven't played Zangief in about 30 years. So needed some reference photos. But as you can... So let me show you what I have in mind real quick. You see, I got some good things to work with here off the original model. I am going to have to go ahead and do something about his hair. So we're going to have to give him the old mohawk up here. We're going to have to get rid of all that hair on the side there. We're definitely going to have to do something with his facial expression. We're going to have to take his eyebrows up and make them, look madder, Maybe scrunch his face up a little bit here. And the beard is going to have to be brought out, probably like to here. Yeah, I want to have a much bigger beard. Obviously, the hand wraps aren't going to work, so I'm going to have to get rid of those and replace those. We're going to have to give him some wristbands on both arms here. And the signature hair on the chest, we're going to have to get that put on there, no problemo. And then of course for his belt, we're going to have to give him a belt here with some what are those things called? Rivets, divots, I don't even know what those things are called, but whatever those round things are. And we'll make him have some wrestling tights on here that are red. We're going to have to thicken up his torso, his arms. He's too thin. Zangief is really thick, like the Hulk. So we're going to have to thicken him up all the way around. All of his body parts are going to have to be thickened up. And then I think we're going to have ourselves a Zangief, and we'll X-nay this background here, and we'll throw in a classic Zangief background from when he fought in the video games. We'll just pick one of his old classic Street Fighter backgrounds. So yeah, I think that's just about it. Let's jump in. I'm gonna throw some music on and jump in. I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you hit that notification bell. And if you have a favorite character or someone you want to see transformed into a hero, let me know. If you maybe know an influencer, or you have a special hero or villain you'd like to see created, comment below, and I read all the comments, and maybe we'll get a video out there for you. So let's jump right into it.